Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh my god. Yeah. What the fuck, man? Oh, I will make a fucking video into my fucking phone. Headshot, bro. We need to fucking do it. I will climb up there. You don't believe me. Okay? There. Go there. Okay? So I will shout out to my fucking neighbor. Oh my god. I will not do it. Oh my god. Look at this everyone. You know I must feel like it and I will fucking cry in this fucking video. OFC at Pilipino, bro. Ah.
And yeah, comment down below your favorite holiday. Do you like Halloween? Do you like Christmas? Or do you like Groundhog Day? Let me know.
3 kids' drawings with disturbing backstories. This was drawn by a girl whose father was very angry at her for always waking up in the middle of the night saying there's a monster in her room. Then she drew this with the words, "Why can't Daddy see her?" And if we zoom in, we'll see a creature with long black hair,
That's a cockroach.
glowing red eyes. We don't know if this was an intruder or something even more sinister. This was done by a girl who was asked to draw her imaginary friend. On the left side, she drew herself, which looks pretty normal. But on the right side, we see her imaginary friend doesn't just have 2 arms. It has 10 arms, and its head is detached from its body. And its face looks like some kind of dark portal. One day, a babysitter named Valerie found this terrifying drawing. It was done by a kid who clearly didn't like Valerie very much, because it says, "Dear Valerie, get out of my life," showing an ass, Valerie's head on the ground, and the body still standing.
Jeez, man. What is going on? These kids got some crazy imaginations. Or they're actually telling the truth. Like this dang demon in the closet. Looks like a black grasshopper. That's nasty. Come on, girl. Just get the raid bug spray and then you'll be good. Why can't Daddy see her? Why did Daddy stick around? Must be nice. There is a theory that kids can see things that adults can't really see, like ghosts and demons. But the kids don't think too much about it. They're just like, oh, that's my imaginary friend.
Okay.
But they're actually seeing a dang demon, and this is just an insane asylum patient with extra arms. If I run into a kid who draws something like this for me, I'm sorry, I'm sitting up with you in townhouse sending you to
Oh my gosh. All the spider. Oh, wala akong gawlan. Shower bako sa imo. Upload ko na sa YouTube nga maligo ta. Wait, guys. No. I will fucking ligo to the Sige lang. Yes. No, I'm Asian and Filipino. Then, gina-post ka. Oh, makapost na sa YouTube. Please make it famous. Oh. Utang sa de. Diba sa famous last words ni? Oh. Dropen. Dade!
Sulod.
Nakakablog sa YouTube.
Kasi masakit sa ulo.
Nakakablog sa YouTube. Ay, kami sa YouTube. Gusto mo? Hindi. Kami mag-get famous.
Basukan sa ulo. Hindi mo sulod sa ulo.
Wow.